Hello. Hello, everyone. My name is Mandeep Singh, and here my team members are like Palak, Lakshmi, and Tejinder or Simran. Here we're gonna describe about the scenario 3, which is based on the IT guy. So at the beginning, according to the scenario, the company hired a new IT guy first time for to handle their all IT technical issues and all kind of IT problems. Even though previously all the problems are like watched by externally contracted company, but now the first time they hire a new IT guy. But there are some problem are happening with that IT guy because the other staff member of the company are putting too much pressure on that IT guy, even though they are reporting these small complaints to the IT guy. For example, when the screen get froze, and sometimes some of the employee got deleted something, and he directly called to the IT guy to sort this out. So even though the IT guy have a project deadline which he need to complete under the given time. So in this way, when these small problems and these small things are reporting to that IT guy, that causes some interruption to that person. So according to this, there are some negative impacts on that the company and on the IT guy. First of them is like a mentally and physical stress. When somebody is pushing him, just sort this out, do this and do this. So he sometimes the IT guy got like a mentally and physically stressed. And the main problem is if he got like a busy in these kind of small problems, he can't deliver the project on the time. And because he can't concentrate properly on their project because he always on busy to the other small things. And according to this, it may put effect on the reputation of the company, because if the company can't deliver their project on time, so maybe they can lose their customer and they will get a bad customer reviews. So the next part gonna be explained by my other team member.
Thank you, Mandeep. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Palak, and today we are demonstrating our agile methodology approach to tackle this issue. As one of the general principle of agile methodology helped me in our approach in welcoming changing requirements, even if even it's late in the development as well. So most of us will know that most IT companies have their own wiki pages for the basic troubleshooting issues and all that. But in this scenario, we don't have any, so we have to develop a new one. And as we all know that it's been delayed because it's been essential for any businesses to provide the wiki page to their employees as well. Many of you have a question like, what is a wiki page? So wiki page is a basic storage of information about the troubleshooting issues and their solutions as well. Most of the employees who are working as an IT support technicians, most of them are using it for troubleshooting issues for the customers. And to set up the wiki page, we need the domain and web hosting server and some other tools as well. So for this one, we are going to use our own company's main domain and their web hosting server as well, because it will be more secure and easier to give access to multiple employees throughout the formal email by informing them. And we can also include the wiki page in the orientation guide. So when the new employee join the company, they have access to it. We are also going to set up additional functions such as leaderboard, support tickets, search options for the common issues. And we are also going to add the comment section where people can share their ideas about the particular issue as well. The another thing that we are going to do is about preparing a list for range of IT issues, so we can prioritize based on urgency and find the solution for them, and make a guide to follow along with step by step. And we also going to develop a few functions that can help with that, such as creating a video so can other employee can follow it very easier. Now Tejinder will explain you more about setting up troubleshooting guides for the common IT issues as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Palak. Thank you for that. And further, we are like as using agile methodology. in this, we are using a principle of working software is a primary measure of progress, so that the different problems that are going to occur during the different projects, there are some common issues that has been faced by the employees, like the frozen screen. When they are working on a computer, their screen got froze or hanged up, and sometimes they delete the file accidentally. And more, some of them get the laptop and the PC are very slow. They're complaining about these as well. And sometimes they forget their passwords, and or maybe they forget to save them, and their resetting is as well. And installing a new application, like a different software for according to their need. All these comes on a common issues, and we are creating wiki pages, and we are gonna give information about them as well on these pages, so you can easily access them. And we are also gonna create a one FAQ page on our wiki pages that will help the IT guy to decrease the whole load for our other employees, so they can access these FAQ questions from the company's page, from their domain that we are using as a company name. In this, I also give some example. If got the screen has been frozen, then there is a shortened link. You can access and use this link to troubleshoot your problem if you got a frozen screen. And if you sometimes people delete their files accidentally, so you can check. It's a basic thing. You can just check the recycle bin or a trash in your computer. It's just small icon on the home screen, or you just can search by clicking the window. It will really helpful for just to find the recycle bin or a trash. You can restore that file from there. If you want to increase the speed of your laptop or a computer, you can just use this small steps. It will helpful for you as well. After that, my next colleague will help you with the another point. Thank you.
Thanks, Tejinder. My name is Simran. So I'm going to just discuss some another principle of agile working. So one fifth principle of agile working methodology is that good work environment for motivated employees. So we need to provide a very good work environment to motivated employees, so that they can work their best and provide a good solutions. So the first solution is that they can develop a leaderboard. So by developing a leaderboard function on web page that shows which employee have resolved their problem by following the guides, and at the end of each month, that person can get a hall of fame from the manager. So as by doing this, it will encourage others to solve issues by themselves. Another is the basic guidebook for the employees. So if for some reason any employee can't fix their issues, we will create a basic guide to teach them how to dig on internet, how can they use how to use Google and YouTube to find a solution, to find the videos of the issues. So if something works, then they report the new way in troubleshooting page. So if it's not work, then they are able to report issue to the IT guy, and the IT guy will check it and provide additional help via text, mail, call, or he can meet them face to face to resolve their issues. And they can directly contact the IT guy. So the next thing will be discussed by Lakshmi.
Thank you, Simran. I would like to provide some suggestions to mitigate the risk. There are several major and minor issues. Some issues are very simple and everyone can solve them quickly. It seems that asking for help for simple issues would interrupt me from my work. As a result, I can't complete my work on time. Hence, troubleshooting documentation that is kept on the wiki page can use for future references. Wiki page can accessed by all employees in this firm. In that page, all basic issues and solutions are listed with videos. This would improve our team productivity and also would help individuals to accomplish their task independently. If any new issue occurs, you can add the issue on the Kanban board. As you guys know that the Kanban board is an agile project management tool. It will allow you guys to track the issue. After resolving the issue, I would like to upload its documentation in the wiki page. Like that, we can resolve all the issues on daily basis without disturbing others' work. If you have any questions, please ask me without any hesitation. That's only. Thank you.